In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make alert dialog message in Android Studio. What is alert dialog message? Let's see it. When the user click the button, this is alert dialog, and let's make this. For this reason, at the first we need a button, because when the user click the button, the alert dialog will be appear. Let's change the text of the button into alert dialog. Now let's go to the main activity, and here at the first we have to create the button object. After that, let's initialize this. After that, let's make it on click listener. And here we wanna make an alert dialog. At the first step, we have to create the alert dialog object. Builder. After that, let's create a title for our alert. After that, let's choose a message for this. Alert dialog dot set message. After that, let's create the button for our alert dialog. Dot positive button. The first parameter is the context. The first parameter is the text. For example, yes button. And now let's make it on click listener. And here I wanna make something when the user click at the yes button, the snack bar will be appear. The first parameter is the context. The second parameter is the message. And the third parameter is the time. After that, let's make another button. Dot negative button. Into the first parameter is text, no, and the second parameter we wanna make a on click listener. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. At the end, remember that you had the show, because when you don't add the show, the alert dialog will not be appear. Remember that if you don't add the dot show, your alert dialog will not be appear. Now let's run our program and see it. Let's click the button. Our alert dialog will be appear, and now let's click the yes button. The yes button clicked. Now let's click the no button. The no button clicked.